Hey everyone! Are you ready to embark on a sweet, mouth-watering journey around the globe? Today, I'm diving into the world of desserts, exploring what people in different countries treat themselves to after a meal, or anytime they crave something sweet. So grab a spoon, and let's dig in. First up, let's travel to France, the land known for its exquisite pastries. Here, the crème de la crème is the macaron. These aren't just any cookies, they are a masterpiece of precision, with their delicate, crisp shells and creamy filling. Whether it's vanilla, pistachio, or raspberry, each bite is a little taste of Parisian heaven. Next, we jet off to Japan, where desserts often come with a subtle touch of sweetness. Mochi, a chewy delight made from glutinous rice, is a favorite, often filled with sweet red bean paste or ice cream. It's a treat that perfectly complements a cup of green tea. Crossing continents to Mexico, we find churros, deep-fried dough dusted with sugar and often dipped in chocolate or caramel. It's not just a dessert, it's an experience, especially when enjoyed fresh and hot from a street vendor. Let's not forget about India, where the variety of desserts is as diverse as its culture. Gulab jamun, deep-fried dough balls soaked in sweet saffron-infused syrup, is a must-try. These golden orbs are often served during festivals and celebrations, making every bite feel like a party. Heading down under to Australia, the lamington steals the show. Imagine sponge cake coated in chocolate and rolled in desiccated coconut, sometimes with a layer of jam in the middle. It's a delightful treat that's as fun to eat as it is to look at. In Italy, tiramisu takes the spotlight. This no-bake dessert layers coffee-soaked ladyfingers with a rich and creamy mascarpone mixture, topped off with a dusting of cocoa powder. It's like a little slice of Italian indulgence with every forkful. Now, flying all the way to South Africa, we find the Malva pudding. This warm, spongy apricot dessert is typically served with a dollop of custard or ice cream. It's comfort food at its finest, making it a perfect end to any meal. And in the United States, the classic dessert that wins hearts is the apple pie. Served with a scoop of vanilla ice cream, it's the ultimate comfort dessert, embodying the spirit of American tradition and home-cooked goodness. Lastly, let's touch down in Turkey, where baklava reigns supreme. This sweet pastry made of layers of phyllo, filled with chopped nuts and sweetened with syrup or honey, is a rich, decadent treat that's been perfected over centuries. Wow, what a deliciously sweet journey around the world. Every country offers something unique, turning simple ingredients into extraordinary desserts that tell a story of their heritage and culinary traditions. So, which of these desserts have you tried? And which ones are you adding to your must-try list? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, keep those taste buds adventurous and keep exploring the sweet side of life. Bon appétit, or as we like to say in the world of desserts, enjoy your just desserts.